Are you tired of dealing with a noisy furnace? As a homeowner in Nashville, TN, it's essential to address furnace issues promptly to avoid further damage and increased costs. Before calling an HVAC technician, use our troubleshooting checklist to identify potential problems. From loose parts to faulty components, our guide will walk you through a step-by-step process to help you diagnose and potentially fix common furnace issues. Whether you need furnace repair, AC repair, or heating repair services, our team is here to help. Contact us today to schedule an appointment and get your HVAC system running efficiently.